do that. You did that.
Go get it! That was a good throw, though. Where'd it go?
Uh-oh. Where'd it go? It's just right there. She just gave up on it. There. Yeah. She put it on there and decided, that's enough. I don't need to do it anymore. What's up, boo?
With under 50 seconds to go. Yeah, good coverage. Actually, good decision by Mark Sanchez. Nowhere to go with the ball. Doesn't want to force it.
Throw it to Super Pup.
Uh-oh.
Well, you got the aim right. You get your head every time.
I have to get that close.
David, by your feet. Well, doesn't matter. You're so silly.
I should have grabbed that. I'm sorry.
She's like, that's okay. I'll go get it. Oh, maybe not.
Go play with something else.
Say hi, boo-boo. Hi. Look. Hi. Oh, look at the horsey. Kaden, do you see it? Did you see it?